welcome back to my channel after a very long time. Today I'm sharing a recipe of chicken and mushroom pasta. So let's get started. First, in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Cook it for a minute and then add half cup of chopped onions. And then we'll cook it until they start to change their color. Now I'm adding 2 cups of boneless chicken cut into strips, and I'll cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm now adding 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, 2 teaspoons of grounded black pepper, about 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and then salt to taste. Now I'm going to cook it for a few minutes. Now I've added 1 cup of chopped mushrooms and I'll cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, I add tomato puree. For this, I've just blended 1 medium tomato with 1/4 cup of water. Now I'm going to cover it and cook this mixture for about 5 more minutes on medium to high flame. In the meanwhile, I have boiled water in a pan with some salt, and once it comes to a boil, I've added 250 grams of penne pasta. Now back to our chicken. Once the tomatoes are cooked, I will add half a cup of cream and then mix this. Now at this point, I've added about 1/4 cup of the starchy water from the pasta. You can use plain water as well. Now cook this pasta for another 2 minutes. At this point, I've added the cooked and drained pasta. Now mix it well and then serve hot. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram, click here for my last video and here for a random video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day and like always. Thanks for watching.